Good day, everybody. Welcome to the blog of Ruel. Today you guys gonna see a little bit about myself, what I'm doing right here at Dolphin Academy, and my job, which is a dolphin trainer. And I hope you guys enjoy this and like it. Interacting with a dolphin. What does that mean? That means communicating with a dolphin in different types of ways. You can put a lot of energy if you want to get energy back from the dolphins. That is what interactions mean. Not only between the trainer and the dolphin, but also between the dolphin and the guest. There's a lot of interaction. But for me, especially for me, it's one of the greatest things when you're working with the dolphins, when you ask them to do a certain behavior, and they will give it back in full energy for you. Water behaviors, simply one of the most coolest things you can do. When working with dolphins, that means that you will be in the water with the dolphins. There's a ton of things you can do in the water, and the dolphin will do the same thing. Every time you get in the water with the dolphins, you barely want to get out of the water because it's such a fun time doing the water behaviors together with your colleagues in the water. Another super cool program that we have right here, and one that I really love to do, is the Dolphin Scuba Encounter. On the water, enjoying themselves, looking at everybody. You can hear them use their echolocation also. As you know, we are one of the few facilities who will be taking our dolphins outside to the open ocean. We have an interconnection system of gates throughout the whole park, and that is also the gate that we have to go to the open ocean. We take them all the way to Yantil Beach. We can take them all the way to Mambo Beach. Even though here's their house at Dolphin Academy, dolphins also enjoy when they're in open water, when you see them explore all the beautiful scenery that we have just outside here on the reef in front of Dolphin Academy and Curacao Sea Aquarium. Hey guys, this is the end of the vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed yourself, enjoyed watching me. Stay tuned for the next vlogs. And of course, you're gonna make a chance to win any prizes with this while watching us. You can contact us for your reservation at www.dolphinacademy.com, or of course you can give us a call also to make your reservation. Hope you guys enjoyed yourself. See you on the next vlog.